Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Instagram message previews on your iPhone or iPad device. So Instagram sends notification on the lock screen and home screen, and the default option is that it shows the message that someone sends you. But if you want to hide the message preview because of privacy reasons, or you don't want a specific person to see your messages, then watch this video until the very end. The first step is to open the settings on your iOS device and tap on the notifications tab. Then find Instagram, click on show previews and click on never. Now the app won't show messages previews on your lock screen or notification center. It will just say that you have notification from Instagram. So if this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.